Oh,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, Snail. What about you?
I'm very good, thank you. You
Did
look
you
familiar, right?
what? Say again.
Earlier. Yes, we spoke in March, right?
Exactly. Actually, I wanted to
Yeah.
ask you the same question. I wanted to ask that did you recognize me or not?
Yes, I was like, no, I've seen this face before. So, how have you been?
One of the millions faces.
There's a lot of students, so yeah. Unless I see them regularly, every now and again, I'm like, I've seen this person.
But
So how have you been, Anush?
it's been all right. Everything is going well.
Yeah.
And just the changing in location. I was in my state that time when I talked to you. And right
Yeah.
now, I'm in South India. It's not
Ah,
exactly south, but southwest. Yeah,
I see. I see. Did we have trouble with the connection last time or not?
absolutely right.
Yeah. See, it's coming back. It just takes some
Yes.
time.
Actually, I booked the session with you yesterday, and right
Yeah.
now, as I can see out of the window, the weather doesn't look nice. Okay, it's kind of a storm, but quite
Ah,
far from this location. So I
okay.
thought that let's connect with you before the storm come.
Before the storm comes, yes, probably a good idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, the weather is not that great here either. Like it's raining and cloudy. So sometimes I don't have to use my network cable. But
Yeah.
this morning, from the time I logged in, I had to use my network cable.
So I was thinking that I have to talk with native speakers because
Mhm.
it's so crucial to connect with them for maintaining your fluency, right?
Very good. Yes.
That's why actually I didn't get time, proper time to connect with anyone, especially for speaking. I mean,
Hmm.
yes. So
Yeah.
finally decided to do it. I just came from work an hour ago.
Uh-huh.
Fast, 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 so that I can connect with you.
Ah,
And
so yeah.
I have a good news for you.
Yes, I'm listening. I want good news all the time.
Actually,
Yeah.
I upload videos on YouTube, right?
Yes.
So the conversation with you, that video is getting popular right now.
You're joking, seriously.
No, I'm no. I'm serious. I'm not
Yeah.
joking. Yes, so our conversation is on my channel. It's the first rank right now.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
So
And I
what?
just uh,
Yeah.
want to see that how far does this video go?
Yes, that would be interesting. So was it good or like is it popular for good reasons or bad reasons? That's
Uh,
important with social media. Yeah.
uh, uh, big, so I would say that my every video is for good reason
Uh-huh.
because these are conversation videos, right?
Yeah.
For students or for the viewers who are interested in learning English.
Okay.
So obviously for good reasons, and I just try my best to edit the part which are not clearly, how to
Mhm.
say, visible or which cannot be listened. Okay,
Or yeah, yeah.
so and I just put the main parts, the main topics, the part related with the main topic,
Uh-huh.
so that if viewers start watching, they can understand that what we are talking about.
Oh,
Okay.
fantastic. Okay, that sounds great. That sounds great. So, Last time we spoke, it was a bit more like an interview type questions, right? Yeah.
Good memory, but I don't
Yeah.
think uh, we were talking about. I think I asked you about where do you get the milk from and the advantage of drinking milk using uh, using turmeric in it.
Yes, yes, we were talking about the milk tea, right?
Right.
Karacha, what was it called? What is it called? There was a name for it. The milk tea. It's got like turmeric and condensed milk, I think, in it. We were talking about, yeah?
No, no turmeric. I mean, we were talking about the using of milk,
Yeah.
lukewarm milk, and turmeric powder together.
Oh, okay, okay.
And tea topic was the other topic actually.
It was a different topic. Ah, okay, okay. Interesting. So, do you have anything on the agenda for today that you would like to talk
Several topics. But
about? Okay.
the first thing that I wanna ask you that how have you been? How is Snap?
Ah, good. Much better at the moment.
So
um,
same location.
yeah, still in Turkey, still in Antalya. Um, the weather is
What's the name of
becoming.
the location?
Mhm.
Estonia,
No, Turkey, Turkey.
Turkey, and in Turkey, where in Turkey? I mean,
Antalya.
Antalya.
Yeah, yeah, Antalya. Yeah.
The
Um,
pronunciation in Turkish language,
I think Antalya.
Antalya.
Yeah, yeah. Turkish is actually very phonetic. So
Oh,
if you learn their alphabet, they use the English alphabet, so you just got to learn the phonics. But it is very phonetic. It's very easy to read. They just have some of their vowels,
okay.
which is a little bit challenging. So like an O is like a U and a U and like another. There's a few versions of it, but other than that, very phonetic. You can very easily read what you're seeing out loud. You know?
It's kind of slightly stressed, right?
Yeah, yeah. So on the vowels, they have different like
Tongue movement,
tones.
especially
Yeah,
tongue.
yeah. That's what's difficult because you got like a and a and a it's so close, but like for example, if I show you here, so like water is